Hello everyone. Today my topic is conversion of a solid from one shape to another. Let's take an example. A certain number of metallic cones, each of radius 2 cm and height 3 cm, are melted and recast into a solid sphere of radius 6 cm. Find the number of cones. So let me explain this question with the help of an example. So there are certain numbers of cones, each of radius 2 cm and 3. I will just melt it and I'll make a sphere whose radius is 6 cm. So from this figure I can say that n into volume of cones, where n is the number of cones. So n into volume of cones is equals to volume of sphere. So from this I can say that n into volume of cones, where n is the number of cones, is equals to volume of one sphere. So from this relation I can say that I need to find the number of cones. So number of cones, n is equals to volume of sphere. When the volume of cones goes this side, it becomes a division. So volume of cone. So let's start. Given radius of metallic cone R1 is equals to 2 cm, height h is equals to 3 cm. Radius of solid sphere R2 is equals to 6 cm. Let n be the number of cones. Then n is equals to volume of spheres divided by volume of cone. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R2 cube divided by volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R2 cube divided by volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R1 square h. So here this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. This pi and pi will get cancelled. So I will get n is equals to 4. The value of R2 is 6. Cube means 6 into 6 into 6 divided by R1. R1 is 2 square, 2 into 2 into 3. So here now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 6 are 12, 12 into 6 is 72. So n is equals to 72. So find the number of cones. Hence the number of cones is equals to 72. Is a solid sphere of radius 15 cm is melted and recast into a solid right circular cone of radius 2.5 cm and height 8 cm. Calculate the number of cones. Let me explain this with the help of an example. I have a metallic sphere whose radius is 15 cm is melted and it's recast into a cone whose radius is 2.5 cm and height is 8 cm. So volume of a sphere is equals to n into volume of cones, where n is a number of cones formed. So from here n is equals to volume of spheres. When it comes this side, it becomes a division. So volume of cone. So we are going to use this formula. Given radius of sphere is denoted by R1 is equals to 15 cm. Radius of cone denoted by R2 is 2.5 cm and height h is equals to 8 cm. Let n be the number of cones. So n is equals to volume of sphere divided by volume of cone. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi. The radius of the sphere is R1, so R1 cube divided by volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R2. Radius of cone is R2, so R2 square h. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. n is equals to 4 into r1 is 15 into 15 into 15 divided by r2 is 2.5 into 2.5 into 8. So now this decimal will cancel. We'll write 10 here. This decimal will cancel, so I'll write 10 here. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. So this is a 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now with the 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So now 2 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 10 is 270. So required number of cone is 270. Hence the number of cones is equals to 270. Next question is, two solid sphere of radius 2 cm and 4 cm are melted and recast into a cone of height 8 cm. Find the radius of a cone so formed. So given radius of two spheres, there are two spheres, so radius of two spheres. First one r1 is equals to 2 cm and second radius r2 is equals to 4 cm. Height of a cone is equals to 8 cm. So there are two spheres. Spheres changes into a cone of height 8 cm. Let r be the radius of cone. So according to problem, volume of two spheres is equals to volume of cone. So volume of two sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus r2 cube is equals to volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, pi and pi will get cancelled. Now we'll put the value. So 4 r1 is a 2 cube plus r2 is 4 cube is equals to, we need to find the value of r square and h is 8. So r square is equals to 4, 2 cube is 8 plus 4 cube is 64. When 8 comes this side, it becomes a division. So here, so r square is equals to 4, 64 plus 8 is 72 divided by 8. Now cancellation will take place. Here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 will go, it becomes a 12, it's a 2 6 are 12. So r square is equals to 36. That means r is equals to 6 centimeter. The radius of a cone so formed is 6 centimeter. Hence the radius of cone is equals to 6 centimeter. So now next question. A hemispherical bowl of diameter 7.2 centimeter is filled completely with the chocolate sauce. This sauce is poured into an inverted cone of radius 4.8 centimeter. Find the height of the cone. So there is a hemispherical bowl where I'll put a sauce, and later on this sauce is poured into an inverted cone whose radius is 4.8 centimeter. We need to find the height of the cone. So from this question we come to know that A volume of hemispherical ball is equals to volume of cone. So let's start. Given diameter of hemispherical ball is equals to 7.2 centimeter. Therefore, radius of hemispherical ball, let's denote it by r, is equals to 7.2 divided by 2 centimeter, which is equals to 3.6 centimeter. Radius of cone, let's denote it by r1, is equals to 4.8 centimeter. Let h be the height of the cone. According to problem, volume of hemisphere is equals to volume of cone. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 by r cube is equals to, and volume of cone is 1 by 3 by r1 whole square h. So here this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. We will get 2. R is 3.6 cube is equals to r1 is 4.8 square h. Now 2 into 3.6 into 3.6 into 3.6 divided by 4.8. 4.8 is equals to h. So let's simplify it. This decimal will cancel. This decimal, and because of this decimal, I write 10 here will cancel. Okay, 6 are 38. 6 8 are 48. 2 3 just 6. 2 4 is 8. Here also. 6 8 are 48. 6 are 36. 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. 4 1 are 4. 4 9 are 36. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. So 3 3 are 9. 9 9 are 81. 2 into 10 is 20 is equals to h. H is equals to 4.05 centimeter. Hence, the height of a cone is equals to 4.05 centimeter. My next question is, the surface area of a solid metallic sphere is 616 centimeters square. It is melted and recast into smaller spheres of diameter 3.5 centimeter. How many such spheres can be obtained? So we have a big spheres which gets converted into a small spheres. So we need to find the number of small spheres formed. Given is, okay, we'll start. Let r be the radius of solid metallic sphere. Surface area of a solid metallic sphere is equals to 616 centimeters square. Formula for surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square is equals to 616. Pi means 22 by 7. R square is equals to 6.6. This 4 when it comes this side, it becomes a division. After our cross multiplication, r square is equals to 616 divided by 4 into 22 will come down and 7 goes up. So now we'll cancel it. 11 2s are 22. 11 5s are 55. 11 6 are 66. 2 1s are 2 with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So r square is equals to 7 into 7 49. Therefore r is equals to 7. So we got the radius of a big sphere is 7 centimeter. Diameter of smaller sphere is equals to 3.5 centimeter. The radius of a smaller sphere, which is denoted by R1, is equals to 3.5 divided by 2. So which is equals to 3.5. 3.5 can be written as 35. 2, 1 0 will add here because of this decimal. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, so it's a 7 by 4 centimeter. Let n be the numbers of smaller spheres formed. Therefore, n is equals to volume of solid spheres divided by volume of smaller spheres. So 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. 4 by 3 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. So n is equals to r is 7 cube, r1 is 7 by 4 cube. 7 cube is equal into this 4 cube goes up, and this 7 cube and 7 cube gets cancelled. Therefore n is equals to cube of 4 is 64. Hence the number of smaller spheres formed is equals to 64. Cube of 4 is 64. Hence the number of smaller spheres formed is equals to 64. Our next question is, a vessel in the form of inverted cone is filled with water to the rim. Its height is 20 cm and diameter is 16.8 cm. Two equal solid cones are dropped in it so that they are fully submerged. As a result, 1/3 of the water in the original cone overflows. What is the volume of each the solid cones submerged? So try to understand. There is a vessel in the form of inverted cone where I put two equal solid cones and the water will overflows. So according to Archimedes principle, the volume of this two equal solid is equals to volume of water over 4. So based on this concept, we will solve this problem. Start. Height of an inverted cone h is equals to 20 cm. Diameter of an inverted cone is equals to 16.8 cm. If radius of inverted cone is equals to 16.8 divided by 2 cm is equals to 8.4 cm. When two equal solid cones are dropped, 1/3 of water in the original cone overflows. So from Archimedes principle, volume of two equal cones is equals to 1/3 into volume of water in cone, which is equals to 1/3 into 1/3 pi r square each. This is the formula for the volume of cone. So 1 jar 1, 3 into 3 is 9, into pi means 22 by 7, into 8.4 into 8.4 20, which is equals to, okay, so this I'll write 10. Here also I'll write 10. This 1 0 0 gets cancelled. 7 1 7 7 2 is 40, 3 is 9, 4 is 12, this 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24. So now I will not cancel this 10 because the division of 10 is very easy. So when I multiply 22, 4, 28 and 2, I'll get 4928 divided by 10, which can be written as 492.8 centimeter cube. So volume of each cone is equals to 492.8 divided by 2, it's equals to 246.4 centimeter cube. because this 492.8 centimeter cube, this is the volume of two coil cones, but I need to find the volume of each cone, so I need to divide it by 2. I get 246.4 centimeter